Next question says, use your graph to solve x squared minus 3 is equal to 2. So if you look over here, we have this quadratic curve, y is equal to x squared minus 3. And then on the other side, we have is equal to 2. So I need to take my graph of y is equal to 2. And where they meet, this is where they will be equal. So the graph of y is equal to 2 is the straight horizontal line at the y-axis, which is equal to 2 over here. And if we find the x values at which these two graphs cross each other, so it would be at minus 2.25 and at 2.25. Question number 22. Say a journalist is going to do a survey to find out whether people aged 15 or less spend more time playing computer games than people aged more than 15. So it's a survey. A journalist says their sample will be the first 20 people leaving a particular shop after 9 a.m. next Monday. So give one reason why the journalist sample is unlikely to give reliable information. The first thing is all of them could be either adult or all of them could be children. So all of them could be adults. Part B, make 3 suggestions to help the journalist obtain a sample that may give more reliable information. So one of them would be to vary the time of the day. So he can get more people or different age groups of people. And secondly, he can take a larger sample size. So larger sample size. Thirdly, he can vary the location. And he can ensure equal number of older and younger people are asked. So he can ensure that the same number of people below 15 years of age and above 15 years of age are asked the question. So this would be a point number 4. We don't need that. Question number 23. The diagram shows a straight line crossing two parallel lines. So if you have two parallel lines like this, if you have a traversal cutting them both, then this angle corresponds to this one. Or we can say that these two angles are corresponding angles, meaning they are equal. This angle over here would be equal to this one would be equal to that one, and these two would be equal respectively. These are called corresponding angles. Over here, as you can see, we have the two parallel lines. Easily we can say that the 2x plus 30 angle will be equal to the x plus 85 angles because of corresponding angles. So corresponding angles, 2x plus 30 is equal to x plus 85. Now we need to solve this equation to find how much my x is. So I send my x to the other side. I send my 30 to this side. Whenever I'm sending x to the other side, I need to change the sign. So it would be negative x. On this side, I already have 85. I need to send positive 30. So it would be negative 30 on the other side. So that would give me x to be 55 degrees. Find the value of y. So it is y that I need to find. So to be able to find y, I know this line, this first parallel line is a straight line over here. So since it is a straight line, the total angle will be 180 degrees. If I know this purple angle over here, I will be able to find y by taking it away from 180. So my x plus 85 is 55 added to 85, which is 140 degrees, which means this part is 140 degrees. So I know my 140 degrees added to my y is 180. So my y would be 180. I subtract 140, and that would give me 40 degrees for my y.